Good.
Damn, that whole rant.
Yep. It was a good.
Well, all you guys in here got some exclusive exclusive information today. Dang. All right. Um. Well, yeah. What'd you have, Dad?
I don't know. I think maybe we should open it up to some questions now, maybe.
Sure. Yeah, sounds good. How's everyone doing? Anybody have any questions? You can put them in the chat here, and we can read them off, or you can just start speaking, or use a little emoji thing to raise your hand. Whatever works. Steve, I see your microphone's on. How you doing?
Oh, is that
Not
true?
not to call you out or anything. Sorry.
Oh, my apologies. I went in, I thought I was muted, but well, I guess we all got tech problems today. You guys didn't record, and I left the mute undone.
Oh
Um,
man.
yeah, I first of all, I think the rant's well intended and excellent received on my part. We agree with the content generation can't be just selling your stuff constantly. The algorithm will absolutely penalize you.
Yeah.
In fact, I will take one step further. We have some dealings with some YouTube guys, and this is for your benefit, or take it or leave it. But it's the YouTube guy basically said, whatever you do, don't send external traffic to your YouTube video. So don't send emails about it. Don't even advertise about it. You've got to figure out how to get your YouTube to rank on the internal YouTube algorithm. And this guy, by the way, he has 35 YouTube channels, over 1 million subscribers. He's one of Mr. Beast's partners. They make, hundreds of millions a year. And he's like, the YouTube will absolutely hammer you if you send external, what they consider alien traffic. You want to have YouTube seeing your video and ranking it and sending it to people, and any links or even paid ads on Google, he thinks diminishes that. And anyway, there's some something we learned, and I share it with you guys.
Interesting. Yeah, that's a good piece of feedback. Oh,
Counterintuitive, but that's what they tell us.
yeah, definitely. And one of the things I think that you can kind of use in that example or is really to focus on optimizing the keywords within your videos and your titles. That really does help. I've been using, there's a platform called VidIQ. This is a pretty popular app or extension. I've been using this for quite a while to help me kind of analyze not only my own YouTube channel, to help me generate better titles, keywords, and things like that, but it also allows you to kind of see what other people are doing and then use that to your advantage when you're posting. So that way, like Steve, like you were saying, it's on platform uh, engagement basically. So that's an interesting tool that I would recommend checking out if you're looking at posting on YouTube. Would you share the book again for the recording? Yeah. Yeah. Show Your Work by Austin Kleon. You can get it on Amazon. I think it's like $8 or something, super cheap. Kasoon, please drop the link in the chat. Yep. There you go. And then also I'll drop the link to the school community as well. So anybody can join like that. So the keywords are more critical on YouTube. Yes, that's what I found, and I'll bring up actually my YouTube channel and I can show you how I'm looking at that. So I just posted this video earlier today, and this one is about ChatGPT image generation and how people are using that to make a bunch of cool things. And so what I did is I like using and the workflow that I kind of use basically for all my content now is I'll film something and then I will bring it into Descript. And this is another video that I just filmed about OpenAI's image generation API. What I'll do is I'll bring the video into Descript. Descript is like a video editor tool and platform, but it's cool because it will transcribe the entire video into text, and then I can go through the video and edit the video as if I was editing a text document. So if I wanted to get rid of this section of the video, I could just select these words and then delete, and then it would delete that part of the video. So it's super useful for longer form content where we're trying to also optimize for keywords and things. And so the way that I do that is after it transcribes the whole video, I can go to this transport option and I can copy the entire transcript to my clipboard. And then what I'll do is I'll go over to ChatGPT or Claude, and I will then bring it into a new chat where I paste in, let me bring it up. I'll paste in the, where is it? I'll paste in the script, and then I'll say, give me a comma delimited list of top keywords for YouTube search based on this script. Keep it to 500 characters total. And it generates a list of keywords that it basically pulls out from my script. And so what I'll do then is I'll take this list of keywords like so, and then I go into YouTube here, and at the near the bottom here, there's this option called tags. And again, I have the VidIQ Chrome extension installed here. Not signed in right now, but it still works because it basically shows the average search volume of each keyword that it recognizes on the YouTube platform. And so what I'll do is I'll just go in here and I'll paste in all the keywords. And because it's a comma delimited list, it automatically adds them all as tags like this. And then VidIQ on top of this provides me kind of the high level view or resources of what each keyword actually will do for the video, I mean. And then I'll do this for kind of everything. I can use Descript to generate a YouTube description, and that will basically give me like timestamps and all the other things that you would kind of expect from a YouTube video. So these are all the things that are kind of annoying to deal with when you get to this point. But when you start doing it, and of course, when you have VidIQ installed, it gives you like rankings out of 100 or optimization scores where you can, increase or decrease the amount of text that you have or the keywords or the right types of titles. And all of that will help rank these videos better. I've been posting on YouTube, not very consistently, but the videos that I do post seem to do, okay per se. A lot of my most recent videos is my podcast, Agency to SaaS, which, if humble plug, if you're interested in watching that, that's with my former colleague Brock. These are longer form pieces of content, but as long as you're consistent with like most other platforms, the algorithm will start to pay off. Cool. Any other questions? All right. Well, like I mentioned at the beginning of the call, we'll have the whatever, I guess, part of the recording is for this. Not afraid to share that I'm kicking these off next week. Wish you luck. Great luck soon. Personalized AI assessment evaluate. Are you ready? Okay, cool. And a free webinar. Ah, great. Love the webinar. That's a great step to include. I would basically put that in where is it? Here. So like having a webinar is very similar to this landing page and VSL concept where you're trying to basically kind of pre-sell or get people engaged into what these AI agents can do. So that way they are much more likely to start a free trial and becoming a paid subscriber. So I'd love to see that. Great work. Best of luck to you. And yeah, shout out to Tim Bennett, one of our longest running subscribers and clients, and great guy overall. Great to see you, Tim.
Thank you, Ross.
Cool. Yeah. All right. Well, yeah, thanks everyone for showing up today. We're going to post whatever we have here to YouTube, and hope to see everyone in the school community as well as next week's Thursday Agency Accelerator Call. Hope you guys have a great week, and we'll talk to you later. Take care.